In a day-night burglary committed at Jairam Nagar, Daboli, upon the receipt of written complaint from one Ramesh Parsekar, working as planning assistant in Vasco PDA, the complainant, after his office hours, had gone for lunch and reached near the main gate of his residence at 1:20 p.m., whereupon he saw two persons attempting to break his main door of bungalow. The accused person fled away. Meanwhile, they had left behind one scooter, Margao registration Activa scooter. The accused person had also broken open the servant's room and decamped with gold ornaments and cash of rupees 15,000. Vasco police, on receipt of the said information, rushed to the spot and traced the owner of the scooter based at Margao, wherein it was revealed that the accused persons had taken on hire the said scooter from a city-based hotel at Margao. Subsequently, staff rushed to the spot and they managed to get hold of one accused person who had committed the theft. Part of the stolen property is already recovered. The said accused person is in police custody, who is namely one Mukesh Malvi, aged 34 years, a native of Ghaziabad, UP, Uttar Pradesh. Police are in search of the other accused person who had committed the burglary during daytime. Further investigation is in progress.